I wanna show you how to make a cinematic slow zoom in Premiere Pro, let's go! So, I have already added my video clip to my timeline. And the first thing that we want to do is to find the point where we want to slow zoom to begin. Following, go to the FX control and click on the toggle animation button for scale. This will create a keyframe for our timeline. In my case, I'm going to focus my slow zoom on the glass. Double click on the preview screen, you will see the blue circle appear in the center of your screen. So, just click and drag the circle to the point where you wanna that your zoom will focus. Now, move the timeline slider ahead a few seconds and increase the value of the scale. In my case it is 200, but it depends of course from your video. If you move the keyframes closer together, this will speed up the zoom effect. And of course, if you pull them farther, the effect will be slowed down. Perfect, everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.